EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for January 14th, 2025. It is Tuesday. The Tuesday video forecast is proudly sponsored by Mark Damiani Painting Incorporated. Cold weather is here, and it's time to freshen up that family room for those Friday nights on the couch binging your favorite TV shows or turning that man cave into the colors of your favorite sports team. Let them help you with any interior project this winter. They are family owned and operated with over 40 years in business, so you can't go wrong with their exceptional attentional detail and great customer service. Servicing the Southeast PA counties of Montgomery, Bucks, and Chester. Call them now to schedule a free estimate. The phone number above me here in the video, 484-571-9233. Mention that you saw this ad on the EPAWA video and get 15% off the total cost of any job that is scheduled between now and March. They are Mark Damiani Painting Incorporated, proud sponsor of the Tuesday video forecast. So a mix of sun and clouds each of the next 2 days won't be too bad as far as the sky conditions is concerned, and dry certainly. But we are looking at breezy conditions each of the next 2 days. And that is, we're going to have colder temperatures compared to yesterday too. We had a nice mild day, getting close to the 40-degree mark in a lot of places. Some places reached it, other places came close. And it actually felt pretty good, but now we're going back into the 20s, as you see above me. 25 to 30 is the temperature spread today. 28 to 34, not much improvement on Wednesday, and then Thursday we'll go back down again. So that's going to be it. So we have, here's the wind we're talking about today. Generally 15 to 25 during the day. When you get into the evening, you're still 15 to 25 for your common gusts, but you have some peak gusts that will get in the 25 to 30 mile per hour range. That'll be this evening, part of the overnight. And then when we get to Wednesday, we remain breezy with gusts 20 to 30 throughout the entire day until we get to the evening, and this will start to subside. So each of the next 2 days, 15 to 25, gusting 20 to 30. Most notable period for that will be picking up this evening and going into Wednesday. So this is all cold air, advection-related wind, and that is it. This moves through. We have this weak system that's going to move through. It's going to be a reinforcing frontal boundary that's going to move through on Tuesday evening, and that's why you're going to have the winds pick up, and then it's going to continue in the wake of that here on Wednesday. High pressure is going to move in Thursday. We have another weak system coming at us. This could touch off a few snow showers in a few spots. The NAM doesn't really have too much, just a few here and there. So you can't. We do have a stray snow shower flurry in the forecast for Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy. Otherwise, with this system in the vicinity, as this moves through, it's going to be very brief. And again, another a quick snow shower or a flurry, and that's it with that, and that's all you have. Once we get to Friday, we're going to have Friday and Saturday going to be turning a little bit milder. We're going to have either side of 40 degrees here on Friday. Mostly sunny skies expected on Friday, so a pretty nice day on Friday. And then we have this system coming at us on Saturday. Could be some rain or snow showers with this. The timing's a little bit different depending on what you look at. But it could be earlier in the morning, Friday night into Saturday morning type thing, and that's kind of like we're going with right now. The GFS is a little bit slower on his latest run that I'm showing you here with that. So there could be some rain or snow showers if it gets in early enough, and then it goes over to rain showers here on Saturday, it looks like, for most areas. But it's not much in terms of quantitative precipitation at all. Now, this is going to become important because along this boundary, there's going to be an area low pressure that develops, and we think this is going to do this because just about everything has it. Here's that area low pressure, just a weak area low pressure that's projected to move up in this general direction like this, right along the gradient boundary. And this was showing this yesterday. I was talking about yesterday's video too. It's something we have to put in, this is only 5 days away, so it's not like it's, that far away where we're taking a big chance here. We have to put, since we do 7-day forecasts on the website, we have to put something in there. And we do. We have a night snow here on Sunday night with this moving through. Here's the GFS, the latest GFS that I have at the time this video is recorded. And it has some snow across, accumulating snow. So maybe 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 6 type snowfall. If this track is correct. If it ends up further southeast, maybe it'll just be the farther southeastern areas that get grazed by it or something like that. We have a couple days to look at this yet, but we're just going to continue to monitor this throughout the week. The European model that ran today has the same idea with the cold front going through, right, with a few showers, and then you have the trailing wave that comes in behind it. Doesn't do a whole lot, but again, does have some snow and light snow and snow showers with this. This is more like a 1 to 3, 2 to 4 event, but it still has something. And the timing of this is going to be critical because there's a lot of things going on Sunday. Divisional round, South Philadelphia. That starts at 3 o'clock on Sunday. GFS is saying said that this snow is coming in here in time for the game. That would not be a good thing. if you're an Eagles fan, because that levels the playing field a little bit. It takes away your best attributes, your speed and your pass rush and things like that. And it's kind of like little kids playing in the backyard. That's what snow does. So as much as I like watching snow games on TV, not really fond of it in this case. Hopefully it's not that early. The European model brings us in overnight, Sunday night, late after the game would be over. So we get timing's like the last thing we kind of work on, like when we send those our text alerts, for example. We'll do a 2 day out text alert saying, hey, this is what we're expecting. We'll do generalized timing because that's really not until the day before you can get precise timing windows. So being this far out and not really agreeing on exactly how this is going to evolve with that second wave, although it is still there could be some timing differences. So I don't want to get hung up on that whole idea. But the GFS and European both models have some accumulating snow in that 19th, 20th time frame. So we'll continue to follow that throughout the week. Actually, the Canadian model has it too. Just it's focusing on a wave a couple days later on next Wednesday instead of this one. So we'll see. Now, there's no guarantee with this one. The ensembles are starting to pick up on this a little bit. That there could be something in this time frame that could give you some accumulating snow. Again, it's not going to be. It doesn't have a high upside. It's a limited upside potential with this because it's just a weaker coastal low reflection. So it's not going to be something that's always going to turn into a 1 foot plus type deal. But it is going to add to some snowfall, and kids are off on Monday, so you don't have to worry about school cancellations because of MLK Day and Inauguration Day all taking place at the same time. So we'll continue to follow this throughout the week and provide the latest each day as we move closer. Right now, just kind of keep in the back of your mind in case you have any plans for that Sunday, Monday time frame, just in case. Just in case. This is not a slam dunk, but certainly the models still have it, so we have to continue to follow it. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martish. That is your outlook for January 14th, 2025. Have a great Tuesday.